I have to leave this place for at least 2 weeks. We'll see. I'm thinking it's gonna be more. For at least 2 weeks, I am not allowed to come here again because new rules, they are more stringent. And I totally agree with the rules. I think we're doing a great job containing this problem. But nonetheless, it's very hard. Like, knowing that I can't come here for at least 2 weeks. And even though I have cameras, but I'm concerned that I don't know, bad stuff are gonna happen and I don't know it. It's hard for me because, I mean, this is my life. It's all I think about when I wake up, and yeah. But it's also like a great opportunity because we're all gonna have time now to learn new things. For example, I know I'm gonna learn a lot of new things because when you're at home and you don't have any excuse that you normally have, like I don't have time, I have to do this, I have to do that. Now it's the time to do all those things, which is amazing. And I'm very actually excited about because I have to look at opportunities, and you know, I am a very positive person. I know there's opportunities in everything, and this is gonna be one. But still, it's very hard. Like, I'm legally allowed today here because I have to lock down everything, make sure everything is safe. But from tomorrow, we'll have to stay home. But yeah, it's cool. I also bring in like some styrene. I'm thinking about making some styrene, scratch build something with what I have or what I can bring home. I've done a lot of things in styrene. A few years ago, I went to a lesson that Jimmy DeResta was teaching in the School of Visual Art in New York. And that day was like teaching how to make stuff with styrene, prototyping things. And when I got back, I made like everything. It was like my obsession for like 2 months. I also did some, like at least one video here. If I remember, I'll link it in the description. But now I want to try to scratch build like a spaceship or something. Ever since I saw Adam Savage making one, I wanted to make one, but I didn't think was, I mean, good enough for my channel. But now I have time, so I'll try to make one of that and blah, blah, blah. I don't know video-wise what I'm gonna be able to do. I'm gonna bring the camera home. Probably I'll do a few live streams, or maybe I can do some video. I have no idea. But what I know is that we can come here. We can ship the orders for a while, but please don't stop buying the maker knife because that's what keeps us alive. I'm not saying that you have to, probably you already, I don't know, but we're gonna ship this maker knives as soon as we come back, so don't worry. And also customer cares, we're still gonna do it from home, all that things. It's so sad, like it's. Anyway, this was just a little update because I know a lot of people is asking me how I'm doing, and I'm doing fine. I do have a few friends that are pretty bad, but hopefully it's gonna go well. And yeah, I don't want to talk about the virus because some comments are like there's still people saying it's just a flu, and that's like, God. Okay, I'll see you when I can. And I thank you for watching and being here. And what was that thing? Oh, ciao, ciao.